Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna use this picture. We're gonna draw this curve shaped tabletop, okay, by using system cabinet. So simple, you just simply drag one of the cabinet for the top. Also can. So maybe I drag this one. You see that tabletop also can, or if you want, so I drag this one. Maybe I drag this one. Okay, so I extend it first like 2000. Okay, so the depth is the white, also I make it 800 or 800. Okay, then this one I make it become no curve at all. This one R is a curve. Okay, you can see now this one become no curve at all. Put it 0 0 0. Okay, convenience for us later to draw. Okay, then after that you want to make it curve, right? Very simple. You just press this button or B board selection, click on it, then right click. So we're gonna start with this panel point editing. Okay, to make it curve, very simple. Okay, you can just start with here, this button, make it curve. Then you can move it. This button, click it here. Click on the line, then you can see the curve also. Okay, but the size up to you. You want how also can adjust. Okay, curve. So after that you done a save already. Then you exit, return. Okay, so this one will be the top. Okay, the top. So let's say I exit the board, move it up. Okay, I click on it, move it up. Elevation, I make it 900. 900 800 something 850. Okay, then now I'm gonna add this one, the so-called the leg. Okay, simple. Just come to basic cabinet, universal cabinet, and drag this one at the bottom, the frame. Okay, so the frame you can set the height also. So maybe I'll just change it to 750. So it seems okay, fit it. Then I'll just use board selection, click on B, or delete the rest. I don't want. Okay, exit the board selection. This one we just move it press that button, move it move it to here. Okay, then we move again, another one, press Ctrl V, then move again, another one. Okay, if you think it's not tall enough, okay, just change it only. Just exit, click it, change the size, make it 850, 850. 850. Okay, Ctrl V, copy one more, select it, press jack, move it. Okay, simple as that guys, very simple. Okay, so here your curve table. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.